Good morning, class 8. Let's start today's class. We were studying about chapter 3, force and pressure. In this chapter so far we have completed and we have cleared the term like turning effect of force, and then after that we discuss about turning effect force, which is also called as moment of force. We discuss about its mathematical expression. We discuss about its SI unit in which it is measured, and then after that we also discuss about the factors affecting the turning effect of force. Okay, now today in this video you'll be learning about the another term, that is pressure. Okay, now here under this topic you'll be getting the answer to the question such as why the knife is made sharp, why the bottom of the foundation of the building is made broad. Okay, and then why the dam, particularly dam base or bottom, is made broad. All these answers we'll be getting here in these under this topic. And then after that we'll be also discussing about why the nail it is the nail which is used to join the planks, wooden planks. Okay, so nail is usually sharp. Why it is made sharp? All these points we'll discuss here in this video. But before going through all these questions, let us first try to clear the definition of pressure and then the terms related to pressure. Okay, before pressure, first we need to clear the term like thrust. T-H-R-U-S-T, thrust. Thrust means any normal force which acts on the surface is what we call normal force, means perpendicular force. Okay, at 90 degree when you apply the force on any surface, okay, or on any surface when perpendicularly the force acts, then that type of force is what we call the thrust. So thrust is a force, so that is why it is measured in Newton. So if you are asked about the SI unit of thrust, you need to say Newton. Okay, now let us discuss about the pressure. So pressure is actually thrust per unit area. Pressure is defined by saying that thrust per unit area is called pressure. Okay, so that means when the force is applied perpendicularly on the surface, then what happens is that we actually apply the pressure on that surface. Okay, like for example, when you press the desk perpendicularly on, like when you apply the force perpendicularly on the desk, then what exactly you are doing is that you are applying the pressure on the desk. Okay, why? Because you are applying perpendicularly force on a given area. Okay, so mathematically this pressure can be calculated by the formula F upon area, that is A, F by A. P is equal to F by A, where F represents thrust and again A represents area of contact. Okay, so from this mathematical expression what we understand is that more the force applied, okay, more the thrust applied, more will be pressure. As from the mathematical expression you can find that P is directly proportional to F. P and F both are present in numerator, so they are directly proportional, whereas A is present, that is area of contact is present in the denominator, so pressure and area of contact are inversely proportional. So it further tells us that more the force applied, more will be the pressure, okay, and then more will be the area of contact. Okay, area of contact, what will happen is that the pressure will decrease. Okay, so from here what we understand that pressure depends on two main factors. The first one is the thrust, okay, the perpendicular force acting on the surface. The second one is area of contact. Okay, so you might have heard about, like the camel. Okay, camel is also called as a sheep of desert. Okay, desert, it is because it has broad feet. Okay, broad feet, it can easily walk on the sand. Okay, as it has broad feet, okay, what happens is that the area of contact becomes large. Okay, as a result, less pressure comes into action whenever they walk on the sand. Okay, due to this, they can easily walk on the sand in the desert. That is why camel is also called sheep of the desert. Okay, all these applications we'll discuss now in the next point. But before that, first we need to discuss about unit of pressure. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal, Pascal, Pascal. Okay. P is equal to F upon A. So F is measured in Newton and A is measured in, which is the area of contact, is measured in meter square. So that is why the another SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Okay. So we mostly measure in Pascal. In short, we write it P small a, capital P small a, Pascal. Okay. Then again, after that comes the application of pressure, which we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.